Let's take a look at one of ImagePrint's exclusive features, colorized black and white. Let's take a look at this flower image right here. The image is going to take a little bit of prep work in order to use colorized black and white. I'm going to bring up my probe and show you exactly what I mean by that. In order to prepare an image to be colorized, we're going to have two sections, black and white, which is grayscale, and you'll notice as I move around inside the grayscale part of the image, all of the RGB values are equal. So this is a perfect grayscale. There's no color to it whatsoever. And then we transition to the colorized portion, which is a focal point of color in the image. So a colorized image is mostly a black and white image with some focal color in the image. And the reason this is an exclusive printing feature is that in order to print this properly, we need to actually combine a grayscale profile with a color profile at print time. This way, all of the grayscale part of the image gets printed with our grayscale technology, so you have a perfect toned grayscale, and it transitions seamlessly into the color portion of the image. And the way we do that is we go to our printer profile, and we're going to choose the grayscale version for the paper that we're using, and I'm using a Hahnemuhle Fine Art Baryta paper. I'm going to apply that, and we'll see the image actually turn to a grayscale image. What you see on screen, you're not going to be able to see both profiles being combined at the same time because that's a special mathematic transformation that takes place at print time. But we have to enable this feature. So we're going to go to our preferences, over to our profiles tag, and under the colorized profile section, we need to choose the color version of that same paper we're using, which is a Hahnemuhle Fine Art Baryta. So I'm going to choose that. And now that's in place, so at print time, both of these profiles will be combined. Now for the grayscale portion, we still have the ability to tone that. So we can go into our narrow gamut controls, and we can tone the grayscale portion. So if I want to make that slightly warmer, or even cooler, I can do that to match whatever I'm trying to do with the image. I can add zones. So I have complete control, just as if I was in my normal grayscale mode, over the colorized mode. And this is how we do a colorized black and white print in ImagePrint 9.